Today is September 26, 2024, and I've got some exciting news from Elevai Labs Inc. This innovative company has been making strides in hair restoration by harnessing the power of Exosome Serum technology. Teaming up with Carly Klein, president of the National Hair Loss Medical Aesthetics, Elevai Labs has conducted an ongoing study showing impressive results. Patients received microneedling treatments at the clinic, followed by an application of the Elevai Empower Serum. For at-home care, they used the Elevai Infinity Serum. Within a year, participants saw a significant reduction in scalp inflammation and a revival in dormant hair follicles, showing marked improvement in hair growth. Not resting on these laurels, Elevai Labs is already planning a follow-on study. This new phase will combine Elevai's exosomes with Yuva's Y100 mitochondrial technology to further address common hair health concerns. This could be a game changer for those struggling with hair thinning. Stay tuned as we keep an eye on these groundbreaking developments in aesthetic medicine.